Hey buddy, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Kingsland Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for July. And this is the grand tour. We're going to take you around and look at the cars and talk about some of them while we're taking you around. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're out here at the Kingsland Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June. And we're going to take you around and give you a little bit of the grand tour of what's out here. And we got a lot of stuff out here today. Lots of different stuff out here. Lots of cool stuff. Got the Gray Ghost there. Of course, the Gangster Mobile came out today. Check out this Mini Cooper done up manga style. Oh look, we got a road yacht. We got a Lincoln. We got some BMWs and Porsches and all new stuff, but you know, looking at the cool stuff, not the new stuff. This here Porsche, that thing's cool. 928 S4. That's a cool car. Check out this red thing over here. I don't even know what it is. It's a mutt. I saw this Apache just rolling a minute ago. It's cool. Got an Olds 442 Hurst Olds. That's cool. Now, this guy here changes the color of his truck on the monthly, I swear, it seems like. A couple months ago it was black, and then a couple months after that it was camo, and now it's red. Dusty red. Oh, we are in rarefied air today. We have two Super Bees out here today. That was the first one. I'll show you the second one in a minute when I come back around. What's your name, by the way? Got a Grand National, Trans Am. Here's our exotics road. Porsches, McLarens, Subis. All kind of different stuff on that road.
Next good road lake is going to be such a
pair of Corvettes, a GTO, Mustang, a Le Mans. There's one you don't see much.
Yeah.
And look, we have two of them today.
Anytime coming back, anytime soon.
This old Dodge Power Wagon's kind of cool. He pieced it back together too. There's the other Super Bee. It's even got the Bumblebee wing grill, headlights, whatever you want to call it. Pair of El Caminos, about the same year too, 67 and
yeah, but well,
70.
he did too.
There sits the dashboard in among all this. Now this other little red car is something it's a Citroen. You don't see very many of them running around. Not here anyway. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, that's a Lightning. We got a Volkswagen and a Carmen Gia. And then a Doom Burger. So that's going to wrap up this grand tour. That's everything that's here. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to keep these videos coming at you.
all the way up to Green Bay.
Yep.
So we put money down on a piece of property.
Gallons.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Kingsland Cars and Coffee July monthly meetup. We hope you guys enjoyed the videos. And if you did enjoy the videos, don't forget to drop us a like, a comment, a share, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Share it around to your friends. Share it around to your non-car friends. We don't discriminate on this channel. We need all the subscribers we can get. We're trying to get to 500, and we're about halfway there, a little over halfway there. So any help you guys would be on that would be great. So, like I say on all the videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. We'll keep going out to the car show and bringing the car show to you. As long as you keep watching, we'll keep going. So, see you guys out there at the car show.